Hey, quick question. Have you ever promised yourself, today's the day I finally get my life together, only to find yourself 4 hours deep into cat videos, snacking like it's a Netflix apocalypse? Yeah, same. But here's the twist. I beat that lazy monster. Not with hustle culture, but with AI. Sounds crazy? Stick with me because in this video, I'm showing you exactly how I use free AI tools to stay laser focused, even when my brain wants to scroll memes until midnight. So let's rewind a bit. Just a few months ago, I was the kind of guy who'd wake up at 6 a.m. in my planner, then wake up at 11:30 a.m. wondering if brunch counts as breakfast or lunch. I tried all the classic advice. Pomodoro? Got distracted during the breaks. To-do lists? They became wish lists. Productivity books? I read half, then added the rest to my read later graveyard. But then, I stumbled on something different. AI. Not the scary robot taking over the world kind. I'm talking about smart tools that quietly sit in your laptop and help you outsmart your lazy self. Let me break down exactly what I use and how it works in real life. Step 1. I let ChatGPT become my accountability buddy. Every morning I type, give me a simple 3-task productivity plan for today. I have 4 hours and low motivation. Boom, ChatGPT spits out. Task 1, 25 minutes deep work. Task 2, 15-minute break and stretch. Task 3, 1 hour of focused writing. And just like that, my brain has a track to run on. It's like hiring a productivity coach without paying a dime. Step 2, I use Notion AI to design my focus dashboard. It helps me auto-generate daily schedules, summarize yesterday's wins, and even sends me quotes that make me feel like I've got my life together. I call it my virtual discipline jar. And no, I'm not saying Notion AI is my therapist, but it's definitely more organized than me. Step 3, I use Reclaim.ai to block distractions, even from myself. You ever say, I'll just check Instagram for a minute, and wake up in 2037 wondering what happened? Reclaim connects with my calendar and auto-schedules deep work hours, while protecting them like a digital bouncer. It literally reclaims my time before my brain gives it away. Step 4. I gamify my focus with Motion. I set Motion AI to turn every task into a mini-game. When I complete one, it celebrates. When I ignore it, it passive-aggressively reschedules like, hey lazy bones, maybe try again at 4 p.m.? It's weirdly motivating. Now here's where things got interesting. After 2 weeks, I noticed I wasn't just doing more. I was actually enjoying the work. Focus started feeling fun. I even caught myself saying, I love structure. This entire transformation cost me $0. Just a few smart tools, and a decision to let AI do the heavy lifting for my brain. Want a simple starter routine? Here's what you can copy-paste. Step 1. Ask ChatGPT to plan 3 focus tasks. Step 2. Use Notion AI to track what you did. Step 3. Block time using Reclaim or Motion. Step 4. Celebrate wins, even small ones. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for motivation. Start messy. Start small. Just start. If you made it this far, you're clearly serious about beating laziness, and trust me, this channel is packed with the kind of tips your future self will high-five you for. So hit that subscribe button, drop a comment with your current lazy struggle, and let me know which AI tool you're most excited to try. And hey, if you want to see how I built a full routine with AI from scratch, check out my video right here. This AI changed my morning routine. It's perfect to watch next. Let's build a better self, powered by AI.